The Chinese New Year is extremely important to us. For once, nearly all Chinese merchants are closing their shop. All the employees take time off to celebrate with their family. Everyone will visit all his relatives and friends to offer oranges as best wishes for the new year. The Chinese calendar is based on the cycles of the moon. The date of the Chinese New Year is variable. It occurs in January or February and takes place under the sign of a Chinese zodiac animal: the monkey, the dragon, the tiger, the dog, the goat. A few days before the New Year, we do a grand cleaning of the house, and for once, everyone is involved. One day before the New Year, we make offering to the ancestors. This is an opportunity to gather the whole family around the New Year's meal. In the morning, we first prepare the table for our ancestors and our dead relatives. Each one of them has its place with his glass, his bowl of rice. All the dishes are on the table. There must be a beautiful abundance of food with many generous dishes. This very well-filled table will bring good luck to the family, and she will not be lack of anything for the rest of the year. It is common to spend more than usual to buy special ingredients. Formerly, a significant part of family savings was dedicated to prepare this celebration. By burning incense and making a brief prayer, each one invites the dead to come celebrate this new year and to spiritually enjoy the delicious dishes. After noon, the living can begin their long meal. On our table, we have a whole lake pork, a Peking duck, a chicken, crispy pork, 5-spice shrimp, scallops with asparagus, steamed buns, sticky rice cake, steamed fish, fried crab rolls, turnip cake, stir-fried noodles, jasmine rice, wine and tea. After the meal, children receive small red envelopes from their parents and family. They contain money. When giving or sharing an envelope, we say, 新年快乐, 身体健康, and in return, she answers, 新年快乐, or 恭喜发财. The larger the family, the larger the number of envelopes each child can get. No Chinese child will ever miss this celebration. On New Year's Day, everything is new. People like to wear new clothes. The meal can of course continue, and the children feel free to spend their money, sweets, cinema, restaurant. For a few days, we will not do a housework to avoid chasing away the new chances that are everywhere in the house. 新年快乐!